Are you tired of constantly monitoring your crypto portfolio, moving assets around, and manually rebalancing your DeFi positions? What if you could automate all of that, not just with a simple bot, but with a system you can actually verify and trust? Crypto automation isn't new. We've seen a wave of projects offering everything from basic trading bots to complex algorithmic strategies. You've got platforms like KRYLL and CoinRule, which let you build rule-based strategies. Then there are the copy trading platforms and centralized exchanges with their own automated features. The promise is simple: set it and forget it. But there's a catch. Most of these solutions run on a black box model. You give them control over your funds, and you have to blindly trust that their code is secure and their actions are legitimate. This is where Newton Protocol is changing the game. Think of it as the next evolution of crypto automation. While others offer automation, Newton offers verifiable automation. They've built a decentralized infrastructure that combines trusted execution environments and zero-knowledge proofs. This isn't just tech jargon, it's a fundamental difference. TEEs create a secure, isolated environment where an automated task is executed, and ZKPs generate a cryptographic proof that the task was completed exactly as intended, without revealing any private information. So, what does this mean for you? It means you can delegate a task to an AI agent, like rebalancing your portfolio across different chains or automatically adjusting your collateral to prevent liquidation, and you get an on-chain receipt proving that the action was performed correctly and within the permissions you set. It takes the trust me out of the equation and replaces it with verify for yourself. In a world where hacks and rug pulls are all too common, this focus on security and transparency sets Newton Protocol apart from the rest. It's not just about making crypto easier, it's about making it safer. By moving beyond a simple bot and creating a trustless, verifiable layer for on-chain finance, Newton Protocol is building a foundation for truly autonomous and secure digital asset management. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.